Hello students, welcome to Pravegaa Education. So here we are going to discuss the question from the JAM 2025 examination, and this question is from multiple selective part, and the question is which of the following cubic lattice plane pairs are perpendicular to each other, right? कौन सा पेयर एक दूसरे के perpendicular है? देखो, so the condition for the perpendicular is lattice planes can be considered as perpendicular to each other when there is a condition which should be satisfied. So let's suppose there's a two plane, we have H1 K1 L1 and the other plane is H2 K2 L2. So if the condition H1 H2, right, H1 H2 plus K1 K2 plus L1 L2, right, this should be 0. H1 H2 plus K1 K2 plus L1 L2, this should be 0. If this condition is satisfying, then yes, we can say that planes are what? Perpendicular to each other, right? The planes are perpendicular to each other. So let's check one by one. This is a very straightforward question. So look at the first option, 1 0 0 and 0 1 0. So here the value of H1 is 1, K1 is 0, L1 is 0, and the value of H2 is 0, K2 is 1, L2 is 0. Now, so H1 H2, that is 1 into 0 0, K1 K2 0, L1 L2 0, that is yes. This is going to be your option. Yes, option A is correct, by the way. Similarly, check the second one. So similarly, है ना, बार-बार लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. H1 K1 L1 value is this 2 to 1, 2 to 0, and the S2 K2 L2 value is 0 0 1. Let's multiply. So this is 2 into 0 plus 2 into 0 plus 0 into 1. Again you are getting 0. So yes, option B is also correct. Now what about the C? 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. So this is not equal to 0 because 1 into 1 is 1, right? So this could not be the answer. And let's check the D one. So D also is very clear that D also cannot be the answer because 1 into 2 is 2 plus 1 into 2 is 2 plus 2 into 0 is 0. So it's also not equal to 0. So yes, option D is also not correct. So the correct option is option A and option B only, right? So the multiple selective question and two option A and option B are